Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna review the tachikawa nibs that I have bought. These are basically the semi-flexible nibs that are meant for the calligraphy scripts like copperplate, Spencerian, modern script and so on. So let me just cut it open and show you how these nibs look. There we go. Look at that. Tachikawa nibs. I bought 3 of them. Well, it's actually better to buy multiple pieces at once because it reduces the cost per unit, and also these pointed nibs wear out very quickly, so it's better to buy multiple of these nibs at once. So let me just open it. Here we go. So in order to get started writing with these nibs, we have to prepare them. These nibs come with an oil coating on their surfaces in order to prevent them from rusting. So we have to remove that oil coating before getting started with these nibs. There are so many different methods of preparing a nib. The most easiest in my opinion is to wash the nib with hand sanitizer. That's what I have done here. Just spray the hand sanitizer on the nib and wipe it off with a tissue paper or a cloth, and you are good to go. Unfortunately, I was not able to show you the process, but you may have got the idea how it's done. It's not so difficult. Anyways, now you can see as I am writing with this nib, you can see the ink flow and the strokes are consistent. Although this is not a very flexible nib, but still we can get thicker shades by applying more pressure on it. This is a mid-flex nib and it's perfect for the beginners. While you don't have to be so careful with the pressure, this is a perfect nib for the beginners. Well, I'm not saying that this is exclusive for beginners. Even professionals also use this nib and other G nibs like Zebra G or Nikko G. Being a beginner myself, I like this nib very much. Because this nib produces very thin hairlines and relatively thick downstrokes. If you are a beginner, this is the nib you would want. I usually do the broad edge calligraphy. I'm not good with this pointed nib calligraphy, so bear with me as I sabotage the script. I actually had a thought for the past few days that I should try the pointed nib calligraphy, and I find copperplate very pleasant to watch, so I decided to give it a try. And the next few days I'm gonna practice my copperplate script, and you guys are gonna watch me as I progress and improve my copperplate script. So this video was all about this nib. Once again, I'm saying this nib is perfect for the beginners. It has medium flex, it produces very thin hairlines, produces fairly thick downstrokes on applying pressure, and it holds a lot of ink. So if you're a beginner and want to learn calligraphy or getting started with calligraphy, this is the nib I would recommend. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep writing and don't quit.